Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for vehicles on the Getaround application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the search button down below and select your location at the top of the screen on the left side. So type in your location and select the date as well next to it. Here you can select the pickup date, indicating the date and the time. Click on the confirm button and then you should select the return date. Again, the date and the time itself, and click on the search button down below, and here you will be able to browse among the available options. So tap on the relevant one that you would like to check out in more details. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.